Hello and welcome to the Travel Enthusiast channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing an order from TU, which is Sainsbury's clothing, and I'm going to see what supermarket clothes are like. This first item is a jumper, a zippy jumper, kind of hoodie, which I really love. And then the other two that I got is a jumper and a top. So the first one is a pull over jumper, which is really nice, really comfortable, fits perfectly. It's a size medium, I believe, yeah, medium. The next one is a long sleeve t-shirt with stripes. I wanted this for ages. I keep seeing it because I sometimes look at their website and I saw it and I loved it. And lastly, it is, like I said before, a hoodie with a zip detail, and I absolutely love it because sometimes hoodies are quite hard to get off, so it's nice to have that detail, and you can, maybe if you get a bit hot, you can unzip it as well. So I absolutely love this, very comfortable for the winter time, or autumn, or whatever, because it's always cold here, so yeah, it's perfect. Last but not least is this jumper, again more for the winter time, but really comfortable and a good purchase, I feel. Yeah, this is absolutely so comfortable. I'm actually recording this, I actually have it on. It's really nice material,